morning from Cox's Bazar. We've been here exploring the longest beach in the world for the last couple of days. We've had an amazing stay, the weather's been fantastic. This morning we're in a tuk-tuk heading to the bus stop on our way to
Cox's Chittagong.
Chittagong, that's right.
And it's going to be our first time taking a bus, so bear with us, our first time taking a bus in Bangladesh. We think we've got the right ticket, so come with us.
Let's go. That's the bus stop? Yeah. This is it.
Where's the buses?
I don't know. They're all up here by the looks of it.
Okay. All right.
Well, we think we're at the bus stop. We're going to go and check it out.
Okay. Okay, this is the ticket. I don't know if it actually is that brand of bus.
I doubt it.
Departure place Dolphin. There's a shark.
Oh, there's a shark.
There's a shark. Okay.
Close enough to a dolphin.
Okay.
Same.
And apart from that, it says reporting time 10:15. It must be now. Okay.
The bus just got here.
Is that it?
Bus out there. All right, we better go now.
Okay, we're going to ask, guys. I'm wondering, do we need to get some of these snacks?
Oh. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you. We're trying to catch the bus to Chittagong.
What's your name?
Chittagong.
Chittagong.
Yeah, this bus? Is it this one? Okay.
Oh, it'll come. Okay, thank you.
It's coming?
I don't know. I think he meant like wait here, it's not here. I mean, there's no space for a bus to pull in there, so it must be.
Well, I didn't think there was any space for this bus to pull in, and it did. Okay, it's a slightly confusing bus stop, but I'm sure we'll work it out. Most importantly, we'll get some snacks for the bus ride. I think it's... How long's the bus ride? How long's the bus ride?
I think it's about 5 hours.
5 hours on a bus.
Supposedly AC bus.
Supposedly. Oh well, we'll see. No, thank you. We're taking a bus today. We're taking a bus.
Okay, this is our ticket that we bought yesterday for 2,000 taka, so 500 taka per seat, which is about 10 New Zealand dollars, about 8 US dollars per seat. But the brand, well, this ticket says Shadhin Travels, but I'm not sure if that's his company or the type of bus. Maybe it's this one. Chittagong? On the other side. Oh my god.
Yeah. Chittagong.
On the other side of the road.
So they're all we've been. Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay, they're all saying go to the other side of the road. Okay, great.
Okay, let's go to the other side of the road. Okay guys, we're gonna cross the road. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. You got this? Wow. Okay, that was almost. Yeah, it was certainly something, wasn't it? Okay, here we go.
Up there. Okay, thank you. Okay, up there. On this side. Okay, thank you. Oh, he's going to take us.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I'm going to knock someone out of my bag in a minute.
Back over.
We're going back across the road. Okay, so we go.
Okay, so back over the road.
I feel like the hotel, they helped us book the ticket. I feel like they would have put us at this right side of the road.
Yeah, I think so too. He's a nice chap.
Cool. Hey, really friendly though. If they can speak English,
Yeah.
And you know, people come up and try.
We do manage to get into the right spot eventually.
Well, I believe him. I feel like I want to believe him.
Ah, look at that. That's what we're looking for. This must be our bus.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Thank you so much.
You must be our driver.
No, I'm guide.
Oh, right.
Oh, lovely. So this is the right ticket?
Okay.
Chittagong.
Chittagong, 4 tickets.
Yeah.
Oh, very
Cool.
good.
Thank you so much. That's very nice. Thank you.
Thank you, my man.
How long?
Oh, great. Okay.
Have a
Okay, thank you. And
Have a seat,
it
please.
does say our ticket numbers on here as well. It looks like, done? It does say our ticket numbers. It looks like we are in the 3rd row. Go check it out.
Right.
See one on board. Thank you very much. Oh,
Okay. Thank you, my friend. Sarah's gone to get some snacks. Okay.
This one for you. Thank you
This
so
one?
much.
Wow.
Should we go this one or further back?
This
Or
one.
forwards?
Oh, I think these
1,
ones.
2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
Oscar, you can have a window
It's a real
like
quite sticky, but I had to get some snacks. I know, some kind of carbonated drink, some kind of mango drink pretending to have something to do with fruit, and some packaged snacks. There's like, and one that's expired today. I'm pretty sure it'll be fine.
Great. Sounds good to me. Well, I think it was
Okay.
pretty smooth getting onto the bus, finding the bus stop.
Yeah.
We did cross the road a couple of times, but that's all right.
Yeah,
No dramas.
Everyone's really friendly and always happy to help.
Yeah.
So it turns out this was our bus ticket.
Yep.
Just to look out, Harry spotted the name of this bus on the back here, and one of the men led us all the way to the bus stop. So
Yeah.
a bus actually where the bus was parked. So yeah.
It's nice and cool in here.
And so
We're the
far,
only ones in
people
here.
on the bus.
We're the only
yeah.
ones on the bus so far. He said he's stopping up the road shortly to pick up some more people. So
Only people on the bus. We got snacks. We got AC.
yep,
we
got everything
water.
we need. And I feel like if we're going for 5 hours, we'll probably stop.
I think so.
We'll probably stop somewhere. I don't know where, but it'll be somewhere.
And we've seen these giant buses like honking their way all around Bangladesh so far.
Yeah.
We're in week 3 of our travels in Bangladesh, so
Yeah,
it's our first time on a bus.
it's our first time on a bus. Here we go.
Comfy good.
Yeah, I got my little unicorn blanket.
Nice touch there.
Yep.
His horn works. The horn works.
A fairly aggressive driver, but I guess that's what it takes to.
We have been watching these buses for 3 weeks in Bangladesh, and now we're on one. The honking buses.
We've seen them and gone, oh bugger that.
And now we're on. Wish us luck for the rest of the journey. I'll show you the sights. Tapping on the back of the bus.
Yeah, I can hear them. Man, you get so close to the other buses.
It's unreal.
The guy said to me the other day, it doesn't matter if the buses touch or bump into each other, that's okay, but if we smash the window by hitting the other bus, that's a problem.
Welcome to travel in Bangladesh.
Yeah. Where are we, Harry?
roadside shop to get the green set of food.
So far, how do you rate the bus trip?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Pretty good?
If I could, I would rate 20 out of 20.
Bus lover. Oh, come and check this out, guys. Just going to take this moment to show you guys something. Ah, boom!
That's so cool. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Looking pretty comfy there.
We are. We're almost in Chittagong.
I think we're about half an hour away.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sound
I
good?
saw a building back there
Yeah.
that said like
Chittagong? Chittagong? Oh.
police office station, Chittagong.
Oh, good boy. Yeah, we just went through the second checkpoint for the Chittagong division.
So how do you rate that bus ride?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. That's pretty good.
Because I love the AC and I love the little blankets.
I know that our little unicorn blankets were a nice touch.
Yeah, they're warm as well.
Looks
And-
like we're almost there. I would say we're probably not far away from Chittagong now.
Yeah. I saw a sign back there saying Chittagong, Chittagong like police office or like
Oh, okay.
checkpoint.
Yeah.
And
I think
the
it was a toll bridge we came through.
Yeah. And the reason why I rated 9 out of 10, the other missing one is from like first few minutes when we started. I didn't feel well. My stomach was like weird. Yeah. But
Feeling good now?
yeah, way better. Especially with the blankets. The blankets keep me warm.
No. So how's the old mum?
The old mum. How's the bus ride? I reckon it was pretty cool actually, and for sure the horn definitely works.
Welcome to Chittagong. Love you, New Zealand. It was awesome journey with my bro, my sis, and my cute cutie and Aska. Love you so much. Love you, New Zealand. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so
Come
much.
back again, okay?
Ah, that was cool. Very cool.
Wow, that was
Big
good, eh,
bus
guys?
ride, but it was
Can
a
I
bus
see
ride.
this video?
Okay, I'm gonna go find out where our hotel is.
Aska.
My map is already coming up with Star Kebab. This is going to be the greatest city ever.
True.
Yes, please, that's great.
100, yeah, we'll take it.
Yeah. He can have his chai first.
Hey guys.
Bye.
Thank you. That's awesome. You guys come with
Thank
me.
you, everyone.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, we're off. Got a tuk-tuk. Welcome to Chittagong. Yeah. Welcome to Chittagong. We have arrived. Bus ride over, 5.5 hours. Great bus ride. Really nice bus attendant guy.
Yeah,
Awesome bus driver.
and that wraps up not only our first bus ride in Bangladesh, but also our first
CMG ride in the cage.
our first CNG ride with the cage.
And you do not cage. You're not
Yeah, hold on, and there's not much room inside here.
No, there is not. It's pretty tight.
But thanks for watching, a great
Yes.
journey. See you on the next day.
See you on the next day.